Hi, this cat is called sort the odd. What do we have to do? Well, we have a list of numbers and we have to sort the odd numbers in an ascending order while leaving the even numbers at their original positions. Okay, loud and clear. Let's go. First things first, let's extract the odd numbers from the source array. So we create a new variable odd numbers, and here we use list comprehension, number for number in source array. If the number modulo 2 is not equal to 0, in other words, is odd. Let's check them out. Yep, those are the odd numbers, but they have to be in an ascending order, right? For that, we can use the sort function and put in the entire list as an argument, and that was sorted in an ascending order. Having that out of the way, we can iterate through the source array for integer in source array and print the integers, check them out. And what I want to do is to replace the odd numbers in the source array by the odd numbers from the odd numbers list. So what we have to check out is the following condition. When is the number odd? Well, we have seen it. We have to use modulo 2 and is not equal to 0 to find out if a number is odd. Yeah, 5, 3, and 1 are odd. So if this condition is met, then we print the integers again. 5, 3, and 1, 5, 3, and 1, and those have to be replaced by 1, 3, and 5 at that particular index, right? Oh, we don't have an index, by the way, but we can create one because we need an index. The index is equal to 0, and every iteration we add up 1 with the index, plus equals 1. And from here, I want to access the elements in odd numbers by the index. So odd numbers, and then in square brackets, we put in the index. Yeah. And here you already see the pattern. 5 has to be replaced by 1. 3 has to be replaced by 3. And 1, this one, has to be replaced with 5. And what we basically have to do is to use an assign operator. So the integer would be equal to the integer from the odd numbers list. And at this point, let's create a new list here because we have to append it. We have to append this integer to the result list. Let's check it out here. That isn't really working. Oh, well, of course. You should increase the index every iteration and remove it by accident. 1, 3, and 5. 1, 3, and 5. But this is even numbers, right? Those should be added as well. And that's absolutely right. So let's make a new condition. If the integer modulo 2 is equal to 0, then we can print the integers again. 2, 8, and 4. 2, 8, and 4. Those should be added to the result list as well. We don't have to do anything, just append them, and they will land at the correct index. Let's check it out. 1, 3, 2, 8, 5, 4. 1, 3, 2, 8, 5, 4. That's the expected result. So let's return it outside the loop. That should do the trick. Let's compare it. True. Okay, let's test it out. Attempt. There we go. Hope this has been useful, that you learned something from it. I'll thank you for watching and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.